Go, my pretties. Be free. Exterminate. Bombard the earth with toothpaste.
Would you like to buy some toothpaste? Would you like to buy some toothpaste? Would you like to buy some toothpaste?
Yes. Sell them toothpaste.
Would you like to buy some toothpaste? Would you like to buy some toothpaste? Would you like to buy some toothpaste?
Greetings. Would you like to buy some toothpaste?
Stop hitting me!
Curse you, Russell T. Davies! Oh, come on, guys. I raised you better than this. Insert Dalek screaming. How does this even make sense?
I'd rather be watching as a sniper wolf than this.
Android is better than Apple. This couldn't be anyone. Dalek sec help us. Oh, son of a...
Green eggs and ham. What are you going to first? I'm gonna puke.
Oh, come on, we're seriously not doing this again. You're in my personal space.
Ow, you're bumping into... Oh, thank God we've slowed down.
Wait, why are we speeding up?
Can I buy some toothpaste?